Viraj Galan from Indraprastha World School. Today I am going to talk about a fairly problem of lack of doctors, which fairly prevails in most of the countries. But coming to this situation, I have a business idea of inventing a product which I call it as Doctor Spot. This spot is a robotic machine which would scan the patient's body and detect the diseases, fractures, etc. and suggest you the medicine which would be taken. It would feature you a capsule structure in which the patient will lay down. It would have a chamber for robotic machines which would enter the capsule for operations, surgeries, etc. It would have an Alexa to command the patient how to change their position for the machines to work. It would have a transparent glass on the top in the head of the capsule. The patient to not panic. It would have a screen attached to the capsule for the medicine suggestion to be displayed. It would have an air ventilator attached to the capsule for breathing purposes of the patients. It would have an emergency manual opening locks in the case of light fluctuation. It could be a COVID-19 testing machine too. It would have inbuilt sanitizing machine which would sanitize the capsule when any of the COVID patient will go after his testing. Its capsule would be 10 feet long. It would have a kids mode for below 3 years which would make the machines more careful with them. It could have options for selecting which operation should be conducted manually on the screen also. It would also feature you activating the operations by voice through Alexa. Now it would have a solution for those areas where doctors are not enough for the rest of the population. Thank you.